In your manager portal, search for Employee PTO Detail Report. Once this appears, click on Employee Status and select the status code of your choice and then click Accept. To narrow down your report even more, you can also select Register Type. On the drop-down of report type, there are multiple reports to choose from. However, we typically recommend the PTO Absence Summary Report with buyback. Select Run. This will generate your Employee PTO report. If you'd like to download this report as an Excel file, simply click on XLS. Or if you'd like to print or download this report, select your formatting on the Actions drop-down menu. Pro tip: converting your report to PDF will also allow you to either print or download.